Hi guys, just wanted to show you this Mooiiz LED grow light for indoor plants really quickly. It's really nice, flexible growing light, but still very strong with 72 LED light bulbs. It has a full spectrum light lamp with a timer and different settings. So this is what we get. Comes in this nice box. Then we have these 3 pipes. Then we have the light itself with the controller, the ground stake, and this instruction manual which shows everything nice and quickly. So you can see it's definitely nothing very difficult. And so we start with the ground spike. We push this metal pole here inside. Then we use this extension here. Then we use the next pipe, another connector, and the last pipe. On top of that we put the rubber o-ring, and then here comes the light itself, and on top we have this nice cover cap. So as you can see, it's very long. It's maximum 23.6 inches length. But if you have a smaller plant, then you can use it also only with 1 or 2 of the pipes. And so we just put the spike here in the plant pot and connect the USB plug with a USB power source. Can also be a power bank, of course. And so we are ready to go. We can turn it on with this button here. And with this button we can change the different dimming levels. We have 10 different levels. That's very convenient. And we can also see the very impressive 120 degrees beam angle. So it can cover a lot of plants, not only one. And here we have the timer. We can use the blue for 3 hours, the green for 9 hours, or the red for 12 hours. And it's only consuming very low power. You can see on the lowest setting which we have here, it's only consuming 0.1 amps, which is super low. And when we increase it to the highest level, you can see it goes slowly up to around 1.2 amps, which is then only about 6 watts, which means it will cost around $6 per year. Yeah, full year for only $6. It's definitely worth it. And on the lowest setting it will only be around 60 cents per year. Yeah, whole year 60 cents. That's definitely not much. So very beautiful light, very flexible with some impressive features. So I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.